Data Part 2. Data Processing Cycle. The data processing cycle, also known as the information processing cycle or the data processing loop, refers to the sequence of steps involved in processing data to produce meaningful information. It is a fundamental concept in computer science and information systems. The data processing cycle typically consists of the following stages. Number 1. Input. In this stage, raw data is collected or entered into the system. Input can come from various sources, such as sensors, keyboards, scanners, or databases. The data can be in different formats, such as text, numbers, images, or audio. Number 2. Processing. Once the data is inputted, it undergoes processing to convert it into a more meaningful form. This stage involves various operations such as sorting, filtering, calculations, transformations, or applying algorithms. The goal is to manipulate the data to derive valuable insights or produce desired outputs. Number 3. Storage. After processing, the resulting information is stored in a structured manner. Storage can be temporary, such as in the computer's memory, RAM, or permanent, such as in a hard disk or a database. Storing the processed information allows for future retrieval and analysis. Number 4. Output. In this stage, the processed information is presented in a format that is usable and understandable to the end users or other systems. Output can take the form of reports, visualizations, graphs, charts, alerts, or any other format that conveys the information effectively. The data processing cycle is often iterative, meaning it repeats continuously as new data is inputted, processed, and outputted. It forms the basis for many computational tasks and systems, ranging from simple calculations to complex data analysis and decision-making processes. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay with us for more video.